Yo, what is up guys? In today's video I spent a big $6 on this app called Geocahce. Now this app can let you see premium geocache spots. Alright guys, so I forgot to add, if you are new to geocaching, it has been going around for a little while on YouTube, on social media, and all that. Now basically it's where you download this app and it shows you the location of a treasure, and there might be even a description and some images or hints of where the treasure could be. Now you could find some large geocaches, usually you have to pay for a subscription, or you could find small geocaches like a little capsule. Now some of the things you find in this could be sold for money, you know, real life money, and you can even make a profit sometimes. Now you could be finding any of these from thrift stores to like even a forest, you know, you could find it anywhere. These could be in usually lampposts though. And hopefully I'm going to be experimenting and see if we can make some money. Because last video, check it out, should pop up somewhere. But last video we tried this and we did not find any money. We found Play-Doh. It's actually filled with Play-Doh. So we found Play-Doh. And that's it. But make sure when you guys do geocaches, always return something back, you know? So, hope you guys enjoy this video and see you guys at the first geocache. Now guys, I don't know if I should be worried about this. My brakes, dude, like, they do not work at all. Alright guys. Oh my gosh. So we're going there right now. And finally, I have to leave my bike over there. But we're walking there. And bro, this thing is way harder than a normal geocache. This was the trail. Now do I do it? I don't want to get killed, guys. Sorry to say that. But we're going to the next one. We have went to 2 out of 4. No money, because we haven't even found one yet. No even geocaches yet, bro. Not gonna lie, guys. This one took way too long. Now the sun is kind of blinding me, but look. Boom. It's this massive rock pillar, and it's behind this one rock. Let's open it up. First time. This thing is crusty. Oh, everything. We got $1, $2, $3 from our first cache. Now the subscription costs like $5 or $6. So bro, we kind of got it back right there. The thing is very rusty, which means it has been there for like 20 years. But that is so sick that we got $3. I don't think I'm gonna be taking it, but I still will count it in our like profit, our total profit collection. All right guys, make sure you always put back your, you know, your fines. All right guys, this next one is disappointing, all right? Do not do this with your geocaches, okay? This really hurt me under a bridge, and there's like some broken glass or some people yelling over there. A little bit scary. But dude, at first I thought I found drugs. That's the geocaches, right? Oh my God, why is there pills? Bro, this is the geocache. And then there's also this, look at this, I found this frog. Oh, this is good. There you go. And we fixed the geocache. Put in some rocks.
Oh jeez.
Bro, you guys won't believe where this next one was. Bro, are you joking? Bro, I thought this was a whole hose node head, bro. So we got this geocache and nothing else. Now guys, do I think you'll find money on like average on a basis? No, I do not. And also these caches were very hard to go to. It was like a whole maze. It was a whole adventure just to get to one. You had to go through bushes, through thorns, and it was really hard. And that $3 was honestly the first money I've ever found. I have found items of which I could have sold, but I don't really take the items. I just kind of find them for fun. But if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and leave me some recommendations, because I may try and day trade, but I hope this geocaching video, you guys enjoyed it. And make sure to leave a like, because for some reason people dislike my videos, you know, and that made me cry, man. I cry.